introduction. I'll keep on introducing myself as in people will come in. My name is Janvi Shetty, and with the famous introduction, I am a Gen Z patent agent. I've completed my master's in pharmacology from Bombay College of Pharmacy, Kalina. Also, I'm a trained orator, and hence you guys are seeing me here today. Okay, so why are we here? As in, I'll just try to correlate with my previous session. Earlier I had a session which was introduction to IPR. We studied about different types or varieties of IPR, you can say. So one of them was patent, other was design, industrial design rather, patent, design, copyright, trademark, trade secret and geographical indication. Of course, we saw a lot of funny examples. I hope you guys could relate to those. Today's session will also be very funny. Don't worry, आप लोगों को मजा आएगा. All right. So let's just go through the previous session once. The first topic was industrial design in itself. मैंने आप लोगों को एक बात बताई थी कि generally whenever I meet some people who are not much aware of IPR, they have this little bit of confusion between patent, design and copyright. सर ने भी बोला था मेरे patent का design का copyright करना है करके. Similar queries even I face day in and day out. The first, that is the industrial design and patent. How are they very different from each other? जब आप industrial design बोलते हो ना, तो it is about the external appearance. It is about the product's aesthetics or the visual appearance. एक product दिखता कैसे है? That is all about industrial design. Now when it comes to patents, what is patent? अगर किसी invention या फिर अगर किसी product का कोई functionality है या फिर utility है, तो हम उसके लिए patent file करते हैं. तो next time अगर आपका कोई स्टूडेंट आता है आपके पास और पूछता है कि मैम मेरा सो एंड सो इन्वेंशन है, क्या मैं डिजाइन पेटेंट कराऊं? तो करेक्ट दैट किड देन एंड देयर इटसेल्फ. पेटेंट और डिजाइन दोनों अलग कॉन्सेप्ट है. डिजाइन अगर आपको एक्सटर्नल अपीयरेंस पे कुछ करना है तो आप जरूर डिजाइन कराइएगा, डिजाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन कराइएगा. और अगर आपके प्रोडक्ट का कुछ यूटिलिटी है या फिर देयर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ फंक्शन, डू गो फॉर पेटेंट्स. The next very important aspect of IPR is trademark. Trademark is related to the logos or slogan, whatever is with respect to a product. So that's all about trademark. Second last we studied about geographical indication. Geographical indication में क्या होता है generally? एक product होगा या फिर एक कुछ ऐसी चीज होगी जो वो उस जगह की speciality होगी. जैसे कि my very favorite example, the filter coffee, the absolute favorite filter coffee which is very nicely made, or rather you get it nicely at Karnataka, especially from Malnad. It is exported from there. So that's the speciality. Coffee, filter coffee is the speciality of that particular location. Another GI I can tell you about is the नंदिनी दूध. आप लोगों ने सुना है नंदिनी मिल्क के बारे में? ओके, देयर इज दिस वेरी फेमस केस स्टडी विच इज गोइंग ऑन नंदिनी मिल्क और नंदिनी प्रोडक्ट्स. अमूल गुजरात का प्रोडक्ट है, राइट? एवरीबडी अग्रीज, राइट? अमूल इज अ वेरी फेमस गुजरात से आया हुआ प्रोडक्ट है. रादर इट इज वेरी मच प्रिवेलेंट इन महाराष्ट्र एज वेल. पूरे नॉर्थ को, द एंटायर नॉर्थ का बेल्ट is supplied by Amul ka milk. But when you go to south, the base of south is so strong that they have not allowed Amul to enter their market. Their brand is fixed. Nandini hai, sirf Nandini chalta hai. Why? Because of course the soil that you find towards the south is more on the red, heme rich soil, iron rich soil. And when the crops are grown on such soil, they are nitrogen dense, or maybe they are very nutritious when it comes to feeding the animals. So of course the animals, since they have a very good diet, the quality of milk is also great. Hence even abroad Nandini is more preferred over Amul. That's the small case study about geographical indication. Now let's move on to the other topic which is trade secret. आपके कोई रेसिपीज होंगे, कुछ नया रेसिपी होगा जो आपने बनाया होगा, कोका कोला हो सकता है, स्प्राइट हो सकता है, ऐसे ही कुछ एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स हो गए, या इवन भेलपुरी में भी कुछ आपने नया कुछ कर दिया. डू गो फॉर ट्रेड सीक्रेट. Now let's move on to our today's topic which is industrial design. बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया मैंने, industrial design ये है, वो है, patents है. But what exactly is covered in industrial design? सिर्फ for your information, सिर्फ jewelry या dress यही चीज़ें डिज़ाइन में नहीं जाती. There is a multiverse actually, to be very honest. बहुत सारे products cover होते हैं industrial design में. We will go through each. There are multiple classes as well, so we'll go through each of the classes one by one. We'll understand what all products are covered. So just in case if your kids or your own students happen to come about with some sort of invention which can go for design registration, you all are very much in position today to guide your students. That's the intent of today's session. Okay. तो ये बात तो क्लियर हो गई है कि when it comes to industrial design, that is very much different from patent. Okay? अब मैं दोनों के differences बताती हूँ आप लोगों को. In short, when it comes to patent, the cost is on the higher side, and when it comes to design, the cost is bit on the lower side. And design registration is pretty easy. You can easily do it on your own. आपको एजेंट की भी इतनी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Just in case there are some rules and regulations that you have to follow while filing the application, and that's it. Or when it comes to patent, of course you need to have a blend of this techno legal knowledge which you need to have. Hence कभी-कभी थोड़ा सा एजेंट का help लग जाता है when it comes to drafting or prosecution as well. Now moving back to design. डिजाइन के लिए जैसे ही आप फाइल कर देते हो ना एप्लीकेशन, as soon as you file the application, it automatically goes for examination. आपको अलग से कुछ चार्जेस वगैरह पे करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है as such. But when it comes to patents, of course you have to file request for examination which has additional charges. Once you file a request for examination, that's when your application gets examined. Otherwise it doesn't. So in industrial design you have that leverage that you need not file separately for request for examination. It automatically gets assessed. Once you file a design application, your application never gets published. That's the beauty of industrial design. So in case आज आप एक एप्लीकेशन फाइल कर रहे हो, इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन एप्लीकेशन आप फाइल कर रहे हो, और FER के स्टेज पे जाके या हियरिंग के स्टेज पे जाके आपको कंट्रोलर बोल देते हैं कि आपका डिजाइन ग्रांट नहीं हो सकता. मतलब it doesn't meet the criterias. The criterias we'll see ahead. I'm just trying to give you a broader picture. I'm just trying to make you understand why design registration is so easy. So once your design gets rejected by any chance, it doesn't come into the public domain. So ये एक additional benefit होता है जो आपको डिजाइन देता है. अब आप लोग मुझे पूछोगे कि क्या हुआ अगर पब्लिक डोमेन में नहीं आ रहा है तो इसका क्या फायदा है. Let me tell you, in intellectual property rights, prior art नाम का word जो है ना, ये सभी पेटेंट एजेंट्स को या एकेडमिशियंस को बहुत खौफ देता है. प्रायर आर्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? You'll also learn in the patent session what is exactly prior art. Whatever is filed, it can be in any form. एक YouTube का वीडियो हो सकता है, या फिर आज के डेट में मैं ये जो सेशन कर रही हूँ, if I'm saying something with respect to some product and it gets recorded and it is published on YouTube or it is posted on YouTube or on Instagram or any sort of public domain, PubMed हो गया, या फिर engineers use IEEE, I guess, yes, so it gets published somewhere like that. That acts as a prior art to your invention. अब ये prior art का भी एक criteria होता है. For instance, if I'm filing a patent or a design application today, mind you, if I'm filing a patent application or a design application today, आज से पहले तक का anything related to that particular invention acts as a prior art for your invention. ये चीज आपको दिमाग में ड्रिल करके रखनी है. So what is a prior art? Anything that is in public domain before your filing date will act as a prior art for you. अब मुझे बताओ, सपोज आप डिजाइन आज फाइल कर रहे हो, द डिजाइन आफ्टर 6 months यू रियलाइज कि वो ग्रांट नहीं होगा, वो रेफ्यूज हो रहा है. सो व्हाट कैन यू डू नेक्स्ट? सिंस इट गेट्स रेफ्यूज्ड, इट डजंट कम टू द पब्लिक डोमेन. ओनली दोज डिजाइन्स विच आर अग्रीड अपॉन, एज इन कंट्रोलर हैज अग्रीड कि हाँ आप ये डिजाइन रजिस्टर करा सकते हो, ओनली दोज डिजाइन्स विल कम इनटू द पब्लिक डोमेन. दोज गेट पब्लिश्ड इन द गैजेट, पेटेंट ऑफिस के गैजेट में वो पब्लिश हो जाता है. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दोज एप्लीकेशंस व्हिच डोंट गेट ग्रांटेड, दे डोंट गेट पब्लिश्ड. मीनिंग क्या है? दे आर नॉट इन पब्लिक डोमेन. इसका मतलब क्या हो जाता है ना, आपके पास एक बैंडविड्थ आ जाता है कि चलो वापस से इसको फाइल करते हैं. जो ऑब्जेक्शंस पहले आए जिसके वजह से कंट्रोलर को ये पसंद नहीं आया एप्लीकेशन, आई विल ट्वीक इट अ बिट, आई विल मेक इट मोर कंट्रोलर फ्रेंडली एंड आई विल फाइल इट अगेन. फिर से आप जा सकते हो प्रोसिक्यूशन के लिए. बट ये चीज आप पेटेंट्स के साथ नहीं कर सकते. सर ने बताया था अपनी सेशन में, विजय सर ने, क्योंकि एक बार आप पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन फाइल कर देते हो तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली पब्लिश होता है. माइंड यू, इट डजंट गेट एग्जामिन्ड ऑटोमेटिकली बट इट गेट्स पब्लिश्ड. दैट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ दीज. हेंस अगर आगे जाके आपका एप्लीकेशन, पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्ट भी हो जाता है ना, तो देयर इज नो वे राउंड टू फाइल इट ऑल ओवर अगेन, बिकॉज योर ओन एप्लीकेशन विल एक्ट एज अ प्रायर आर्ट टू योर न्यू एप्लीकेशन, स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट प्रायर आर्ट रादर. तो that creates a problem and hence you cannot file the already refused applications. That's the main difference between patent and industrial design. Okay, this was all about the introduction. I hope you guys have understood what's the difference between patent and industrial design per se, right? Okay, now what comes under industrial design? Hello everyone. Okay, I'll introduce myself. I'm Janvi Shetty, and since most of you guys are Gen Zs, you can relate to me more. I am also a Gen Z patent agent. So, hi again. All right. So we were talking about industrial design. We covered a bit of the introductory part. Now we will move on to some of the technical part, right? So what exactly is covered in industrial design? अगर आपके इन्वेंशन या अगर आपके इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी का कुछ यूनिक सा शेप है, कुछ यूनिक सा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, उसमें कुछ सरफेस पैटर्न है या फिर उसमें कुछ ऑर्नामेंटल डिजाइन है, कुछ पैटर्न्स है, कुछ अलग टाइप के लाइंस है, तो ऑल दैट कम्स अंडर इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन. यू कैन गो फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन फॉर दैट प्रोडक्ट. I have seen a lot of engineers, rather those who are there in the engineering domain, use this very frequently, industrial design. They come up with some nice machines. अभी ये जो machines आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, बहुत सारे machines है, इसका भी आप industrial design करा सकते हो, provided उन्होंने कुछ नई बनाई हो, नए टाइप का मशीन बनाया हो जो दिखने में नया हो, जो पहले कभी दिखा नहीं हो. So even he can go for industrial design filing. So again, it's all about aesthetic. The tagline which I came up with a long time ago, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. So these objects can be in 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional. जैसे कि अगर मेरे पास ये object है, तो now there is this concept of representation sheets. जैसे patent application में you have form 2 to specify your complete specification. But in design, you have representation sheets. अब representation sheets are very easy to prepare. आपको, for instance, this is your product. You have to take a front picture. पूरा दिखना चाहिए, पूरा पूरा प्रोडक्ट दिखना चाहिए, आधा कटा हुआ थोड़ा सा साइड से नहीं. फ्रंट पिक्चर, अ बैक पिक्चर, यहां से बॉटम एंड टॉप, दैट्स इट. और एक पर्सपेक्टिव व्यू होता है, दैट इज द 3D व्यू. फॉर इंस्टेंस मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट को ऐसे रखा है, तो ऐसे मुझे कैसे दिख रहा है ना, दिस इज वॉट इज नीडेड व्हेन यू फाइल रिप्रेजेंटेशन शीट्स, दैट्स इट. इतना ही जरूरत होता है व्हेन यू गो फॉर डिजाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन. So this is why I keep telling कि you can also do it on your own, but there are some novelty statements that you have to mention. For that, of course, you can come to a patent agent, you can ask a patent agent, they would be more than happy to guide you regarding the same. Okay, now conditions क्या क्या है? इतना सब तो बोल दिया, ऐसे फाइल कर सकते हैं, वैसे फाइल कर सकते हैं, but what about the conditions? पहले तो your design should be new or original. It shouldn't be copied from anywhere. Okay. There are some objections जहाँ पे ऐसे भी हमने देखे हैं cases wherein although the object is having a different use, the same object is having a different use and people are filing. That is not allowed. Your design has to be new and original. Again, it has not been disclosed in any of the prior art or not presented anywhere. It is significantly distinguishable. आप आराम से उसको distinguish कर सकते हैं from the existing prior art products. And of course, it should not contain anything that is scandalous or obscene. Next is, it should not be contrary to public order or morality. किसी के भावनाओं को ठेस नहीं पहुंचानी चाहिए basically. That is more important. Next is prejudicial to the interest of the security of India. In case अगर आपको okay, this is a very famous example which I used to hear back then at a engineering college. Ma'am can relate to it more. Those kids, na, whenever I used to, I was at SPIT for a project, and those kids, I used to have a lot of chat with those kids regarding my invention and everything. And since I'm a noob in electronics, okay, don't know anything about it, I'm a pharmacologist, and I'd been there for my project work. And those kids, those B.Tech second year students used to teach me everything, right from the scratch. So whenever they used to talk about certain parts like LM317 hai, फिर there is this blue color device, relay हो गया, ये सब के बारे में बात करते थे ना, I used to be very confused कि क्या बोल रहे करके. And then I used to ask them, क्या ये parts मिल जाएंगे? Although it would be easily available, but then since a noob, I don't know what it is. Then they used to use this very famous statement, मैडम आप बस बोलो, हम लैमिंगटन रोड से ना बम बनाने का भी सामान लेकर आ सकते हैं. जस्ट एक इशारा दे दो, जाएंगे लैमिंगटन रोड, आज के आज बम बनाने का सामान लेकर आएंगे. तब तो ठीक है, वो ह्यूमरस वे में निकल गया, बट नाउ आई रियलाइज द एप्लीकेशन हियर एक्चुअली. वो जो बॉम्ब बनाने का सामान है, या वो बॉम्ब भी अगर आप बना रहे हो ना, दैट इज नॉट अलाउड. कुछ भी जो पब्लिक ऑर्डर और मोरालिटी के अगेंस्ट जाता है, विच इज लाइक अ पोटेंशियल थ्रेट टू द पीपल, दैट इज नॉट अलाउड. ओके, अब एक्सक्लूजन्स क्या क्या है. कॉलेज में आफ्टर एवरी इवेंट क्या डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है जनरली टू द पार्टिसिपेंट्स और एनीबडी who are related to that event? We get certificates, right? Correct? Certificate में कुछ content भी लिखा हुआ होता है, right? What do you guys think? वो certificate का मैं design register करा सकती हूँ? No, that is not possible. Reason being, जो भी आपके certificate में content होता है, it all goes for copyright. Okay? So this is one major difference. Certificates can never be registered under design registration. Calendars हो गए, leaflets हो गए, postcards है, stamps है, medals है, labels हो गया, tokens हो गया, ये सारा design registration में नहीं आता है. Maybe you guys can just take a note of it, because we get a lot of queries on what can be followed for design registration and what cannot. Okay? So this is one significant slide. Any principle or mode of construction of an article. Again, any principle or mode of construction of an article. The first part, अगर आप कुछ ऐसे मैकेनिक्स वगैरह पे काम कर रहे हो जो एक्चुअली कुछ फंक्शन दिखाएगा आगे जाके आपके डिवाइस में, तो that comes under patent. Hence it is not covered here in the industrial design. Why? What is the reason? Again, patent is always there for functionality or utility of the product. Next is construction of an article. Again, you can go for patents. Mere mechanical, even that is not allowed. Buildings and structures, परसों मुझे किसी ने डाउट पूछा था कि what about the structures or buildings, वो सारा सब कुछ any idea कहाँ जाता है? Blueprint बनाते हो तो उसका हम copyright कराते हैं. That's the reason why this is also not covered here. Next is parts of articles not manufactured and sold separately. कुछ भी छोटे छोटे जो parts होते हैं ना, वो आप अलग से उसका डिजाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करा सकते. जैसे कि अगर ये एक माउस है और ये एक पॉइंटर है, इन दोनों को मिला दिया है और कुछ तो एक नया सा डिवाइस यू हैव कम अप विथ, तो आप इन दोनों के पार्ट्स को अलग अलग से यू कैन नॉट गेट इट रजिस्टर्ड. You have to bring it together, make one full article and then get it registered. Next is variations commonly used in the trade, mere workshop alterations of components of an assembly or even size of an article. I get this question a lot कि वो डिवाइस तो इतना बड़ा था, हमने उसको इतना छोटू सा कर दिया है, अब तो करा सकते हो क्या आप रजिस्टर? नहीं. अगर it's a miniature form of a very big device, you cannot get it registered. उसका shape में changes कर दिया, configuration में changes कर दिया, it's fine. Pattern, surface पे changes किए, it's fine, you can get it registered. But not with respect to change in size. That is not allowed. Flags हो गए, emblems हो गए, ये सारा ना nation specific होता है. Hence again it cannot be design registered. और लेआउट डिजाइन्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स. सेमीकंडक्टर करके एक अलग सा सेक्शन है इन इंडियन पेटेंट एक्ट और सेमीकंडक्टर एक्ट में होता है वो. ऑल द सेमीकंडक्टर सर्किट्स एंड ऑल गो इनटू दैट पार्ट. इट गेट्स प्रोटेक्टेड अंडर दैट पार्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रोहिबिटेड? अगेन द सेम थिंग. अगर ऑलरेडी आपका डिजाइन जो है वो न्यू नहीं है, ओरिजिनल नहीं है, या फिर इट इज ऑलरेडी डिस्क्लोज्ड इन द प्रायर आर्ट, ऐसे कुछ भी है तो यू कैन नॉट गेट इट रजिस्टर्ड. ओके, अब कौन फाइल कर सकता है डिजाइन एप्लीकेशन? हु ऑल कैन फाइल? एनी आइडिया? So whoever files is known as the proprietor of the design or the author of the design. Well, let's talk about अब हम sorry.
Nationality is a condition. Indians have to file a design in India only. Is it like that, or any other country people can?
Yes, sir. You can file elsewhere. It's fine. So let's move on to design classification. अब यहाँ we will cover all those which can actually be included, which you can go for design registration as such. Let me tell you a very interesting story here. A long time ago, I was scrolling through Instagram and I happened to come across an interview. वहाँ पे ना I saw Preeti Zinta ka interview. It was like a very old interview, and she was mentioning this thing कि Kashmir, she's from Jammu Kashmir. I believe all of you are aware, right? सबको पता है ना प्रीति जिंटा कौन है? Right? Everybody is aware, right? So प्रीति जिंटा थी, उनका interview था, and she was talking about this amazing pastry from Trishul Bakery. मुझे नहीं पता था क्या है, and of course being a foodie I love exploring new stuff, and I was like, okay, let me check it out, although I cannot go and buy it as such, but let me just check it out how it is. So then I googled. The moment I tried googling the products, भाई साहब इतना मस्त दिख रहा था वो, all the pastries they were so good looking, taste तो ठीक है, I'm not aware she's saying तो मान ही लेते हैं, but when I looked at the products they were so nicely prepared, the design in itself was so beautiful. फिर मैंने सोचा कि अरे this is तो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सुंदर है, and as Gen Zs we are always driven towards those products which actually look nice or which actually look great. So what happened was, I have a colleague who bakes, who is very good at baking stuff, and I asked her कि अरे ऐसा है, I saw this interview, she was baking this nice products, can you do it, and or can we start a business out of it? And she was like, well, she's also a patent agent by the way more smarter than I am. And she was like, are you even aware कि what if उन लोगों ने अगर इसका already design register करा दिया होगा तो, you know right, they can sue us, so just have a check it out, अगर नहीं है design registration then it's fine. So I'm like, I got crushed. They actually had designs registered for their products. Okay, this was about class 1. Now what is class 1 exactly? Any food products जो भी दिखने में बहुत सुंदर है उसको आप डिज़ाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन में ले सकते हो, जैसे कि बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स हो गए, या फिर you happen to make something, make a pudding or custard which has a nice design, you can get it registered under class 1. Next is articles of clothing. As already you must all be aware, I love fashion, I love doing makeup. So I had shared an example in the previous session which I might repeat for, I'll repeat for those who were not there, since I see a lot of new faces today. मैं एक fashion show में गई थी. क्यों गई थी? I had come up with a nice dress, design बहुत सुंदर था. I approached a fashion industry, I approached a fashion college, I asked them, can I present my design in your show, is it okay? And they were like, okay, you present your design. So मैंने model select किए, मैंने model को train किया, मैंने उसको अपना dress भी दिया, and she walked the ramp. Everybody were cheering for my design. Arey wow, this design is so giving, it's okay, it's so beautiful. I got a lot of appreciation for that. Cut to, an year later, I see the same design at some boutique. I go there, I throw a fit, I tell them why did you, make this design, or why are you presenting it on a mannequin? It's my design, you're not even giving me due credits for the same. They were like, हमने इसका डिज़ाइन रजिस्टर करा लिया है, आपने एक साल पहले प्रेजेंट किया था, if you want you can sue us, but it's not going to happen because the design is already registered. Again I'm heartbroken. ये भी नहीं हो पाया यार, अब करें कैसे स्टार्टअप, कुछ भी वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहा है. So that is all about class 2. Class 2 में आप क्या कर सकते हो, जो भी आपके आउटफिट्स होंगे, कुछ नया सा आउटफिट होगा या कुछ ऐसा क्लोथिंग पैटर्न होगा, मोटिव्स होंगे, नए डिजाइन्स होंगे, all that you can get it registered. Next, travel goods, cases, parasols and personal belongings. That is class 3. एक दिन एक लेडी एयरपोर्ट में आती है, ओके, एंड एक लेडी को मैं एयरपोर्ट पे स्पॉट करती हूँ. उनके पास ना एक बहुत सुंदर सा हैंड बैग होता है, ओके, एंड आई गो एंड शेमलेसली आस्क हर, मैम वेयर डिड यू गेट दिस फ्रॉम, ये बैग तो बहुत सुंदर है. एंड यू नो व्हाट शी सेज, डार्लिंग इट्स फ्रॉम अर्म्स एंड यू कैन नॉट गेट इट. Okay, why can I not get it, or why can I not afford it? And she was like, have you seen the clothes you're wearing? Again, cut to my tagline, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. People judge you on the basis of your clothes at airport. Okay, so cut to again the handbag thing. I ask her कि okay, अच्छा ठीक है, this bag is very nice, can I have a look? She's like, okay, have a look. और जब मैंने खोला वगैरह, I saw it was so beautifully made यार, the patterns, the design was so good, and I'm like, okay, अब ये तो मैं बिजनेस कर सकती हूँ, ये तो बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस आइडिया है, मैं जाके ऐसे का ऐसा कॉपी कर लूंगी, क्या ही हो जाएगा। और वैसे भी हिल रोड एंड फैशन स्ट्रीट, ऑल ऑफ यू आर अवेयर राइट, शॉपिंग की होगी वहां पे। सो वैसे सेम बैग्स मिल जाते हैं यार 200-300 में, तो क्या ही हो जाता है। सो आई डिसाइडेड कि आई विल गो बैक, आई विल मेक अ नाइस वेबसाइट। मुझे ऐसे स्ट्रीट पे नहीं बेचना यार, आई एम अ बूजी पर्सन, आई विल मेक माई ओन वेबसाइट एंड आई विल सेल इट, आई विल मेक अ ड्यूप ऑफ दैट बैग। एंड नाउ again I did consult a friend and she was like, बुद्धू लड़की तुझे पता है क्या, अर्म्स का बैग है, of course they might have registered their design, it is literally made out of calf skin, they know the value of their product. Yes, by the way, arms bags are made out of calf skin. So again my heart got crushed, ये भी डिजाइन नहीं फाइल कर सकते because already class 3 में वो covered है. Next is ब्रशवेयर. अब मेरे घर पे एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा टॉर्टॉइज है. Okay? He likes green color or white color a lot. So what I did was, and आप लोगों ने ये वीडियो देखी होगी टर्टल्स की on social media. If you use a brush and rub their back, na, they try to dance. Actually, they try to dance. So I used that technique. I got my brush. It was a very plain one, and I tried rubbing his back. मैं भी चाहती थी यार मेरा भी tortoise dance करे, मैं भी उसका वीडियो बनाऊं. I'll also milk out of it. But as always, he is very stubborn. My tortoise is very stubborn. He did not move at all. फिर मैंने सोचा कि अब क्या करूं यार, ये तो मुझे वीडियो बनाने नहीं देगा. So what I did was, my tortoise is as bougie as I am. He doesn't like simple stuff. He's very fond of, he is a bougie by the way. वो उसको बहुत fancy चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगती है, बहुत attract करती है. तो मैंने कुछ थोड़ा सा tweak किया उसको, वो product को. Simple से brush को ना, I integrated some favorite toy of his. उसका एक छोटा सा cat toy है. I just stuck it. And then I tried now rubbing his back. भाव नहीं दिया मुझे, again बिल्कुल भाव नहीं दिया. फिर मैंने सोचा ठीक है यार, फ्लॉप शो है ये, वैसे भी मुझे भाव नहीं देने वाला. I'll just keep that brush aside and I'll do my work. You guys won't believe what happened. ये bougie tortoise immediately उस product के पास गया, क्योंकि of course उसका favorite toy लगा हुआ है यार. Now he is liking the product. He's going, he's chewing on that product. He is sitting beside it. Why? Because he likes the appearance of the product. So, अब मैंने ये ब्रशवेयर को ट्वीक कर दिया. तो अगेन मेरे दिमाग में आया, अरे ये तो बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. Can I go for design registration because it's a new type of brushwear, right? So I went to a friend of mine who is very famous, who is very infamous for creating these products. I asked him, ये तो काफी basic version है, but can you make it very creative? So what he does is, he comes up with a nice brush. उसमें वो उसी नए से कार्टून कैरेक्टर को बना देता है. And now he hands it over to me and he tells me कि okay, now you can go and get your design registered. Again a win-win situation. I go and get my design registered. Mind you guys, पहले की 3 कोशिशें नाकाम रही, चौथी वाली पास हो गई. I was very happy. क्या मैं वहां रुकने वाली थी? नहीं. Since business blood में है, तो I want more money, I want more products. तो first business idea तो hit हो गया. All due credits to my tortoise. Next, textile piece goods, artificial and natural sheet material. Any material again with, okay, any textile piece goods, artificial and natural sheet material, any material which is again very unique, which has nice patterns, you can get it registered under class 5. Next is furnishing, class 6. A nice piece of furniture which has never been introduced. बहुत अच्छा है. A nice, अच्छा, keeping all of it aside, how many of you watched the movie Dear Zindagi? Anybody? Okay. Who is the actor in that movie? Shah Rukh Khan, right? And who is the actress? Alia Bhatt. And what is the profession of Shah Rukh Khan? Psychiatrist. And what is the profession of Alia Bhatt? She's a cinematographer. Yeah. So she is involved in the direction of movies, videos and everything. That's a cinematographer. In her case, again, she has a very creative love life, or rather a very colorful love life, because of which she goes into a depressed state. She goes to, Dr. Jahangir is the name, by the way, of Shah Rukh Khan. So she goes to Shah Rukh Khan, she asks him about her problems, and there is a very wonderful statement which Dr. Jahangir, aka Shah Rukh Khan, uses in that particular movie. He asks Kaira, who is Alia Bhatt, there were many chairs, there were many chairs in his office, and he asks Kaira, that is Alia Bhatt, to try on the different chairs. So she goes, पहली chair पे बैठती है, नहीं आराम मिलता, दूसरी chair पे जाती है, नहीं आराम मिलता, तीसरी chair पे जाती है, again नहीं आराम मिलता, सारे chairs की design अलग है, okay? And then comes the final chair, जो है ना squeak करता है, एक squeaky सा sound निकालता है, okay? And now Alia Bhatt, being Alia Bhatt, very curious and very dumb as she portrays herself, she asks Dr. Jahangir कि ये particular chair ऐसे squeak क्यों करता है? So there is this a psychological reasoning that he gives कि you should try on different chairs until you find the right chair, right? So this particular chair which was squeaking had a peculiar design, जिसके वजह से it made that sound, and there is a way to sit on it. Since Alia Bhatt was not following the pattern, she couldn't sit on it. Okay, that's the reason why the chair was not cooperating. So, cut to, क्या वो नए chair का design under class 6 आप design registration करा सकते हो? Guys, I need some response. Breakfast किया है, right? सबने? Okay, can we register that design? A new chair design. Yes, right? Yeah, very good. So, any new furniture piece that you come up with, you can get it registered under class 6. Next is household goods, not elsewhere specified. Anything which is with respect to decorative stuff that you keep at your place, all that can be registered under class 7. 8 is tools and hardwares. More prevalent to those who are engineers or who are our dads, to be honest, who are more involved into building stuff. तो कुछ भी tools हो गए या फिर tools है या फिर hardwares है, all that can be registered under class 8. Class 9, packaging and containers for transport or handling of goods. Now, again I go to airport. I see a nice lady holding a Stanley cup. Are you all guys aware of Stanley cups? Very much in trend. Stanley tumblers, right? Okay. So, क्या होता है वो tumbler का use क्या है? Sorry? पानी पीने के लिए. Any other use of that tumbler? हाँ, ये correct use है. ये correct guess किया आपने. शो ऑफ के लिए यूज करते हैं यार हम. स्टैनले पानी पीने के लिए नो नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. स्टैनले कौन यूज करता है पानी पीने के लिए? स्टैनले इज लाइक अ स्टेटस सिंबल. व्हाई इज इट सो? द प्रोडक्ट, ऑफ कोर्स द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स सो अपीलिंग, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स गोना गो फॉर द डिजाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन, राइट? अगेन क्लास 9 कंटेनर्स, पैकेजिंग एंड कंटेनर्स के अंडर वो आता है. Reason being, Stanley cups are very aesthetic. Pinterest पे जाओ, Stanley डालो या Google करो, Stanley डालो. There must be 100 other accessories which will be attached to your Stanley cup to make it more presentable, to make it more aesthetic. So again, those Stanley cups that you see, and if any of you have not seen it yet, I believe a lot of you might have kids and kids who are in college or who must be going to school. कभी ना कभी तो बच्चों ने mention किया होगा. So you guys do check it out, how aesthetic it is. And if your kid comes up to you and tells you कि अरे खरीद दो ना, please खरीद देना, okay? और बिल मुझसे, पैसे मुझसे मत मांगना, just आप खरीद देना. Of course, बच्चे peer pressure में आते हैं यार, so it's okay to give in sometimes. Clocks and watches and other measuring instruments, checking and signaling instruments. बहुत सुंदर सी घड़ी है, बहुत अच्छा दिखता है, okay? I have a Fossil watch. It's very nice. Ultimately time ही दिखाता है और कुछ different तो है नहीं. But then, as soon as I wear it and I go out, and when people notice it, they actually, they actually are like, they ask me, where did you get this from? It's very vintage. Is it still available? क्यों पूछते इतना सारा question? Ultimately तो time ही दिखाता है, right? और कुछ intent या purpose तो नहीं है वो watch का, सिर्फ time ही दिखा रहा है. Why is that so? Any guesses?
How it looks, design.
Yes, how it looks. So anything with respect to watches, if you have a very nice design, a new design, something very innovative, not seen elsewhere, these days Casio ka watch is very much in trend. Why? Because it gives vintage look. Again, sab kuch looks ka game hai. Just because it looks vintage, it's there. I remember my uncle telling me that ye Casio ka watch hamare time pe we used to get it for like very minimal amount. But these days, just because Gen Zs are very much into vintage stuff, the prices have rised up. That's the beauty of product branding. Articles of adornment. मैंने again Instagram scroll कर रही थी, एक small store था, वहाँ पे I saw this nice bracelet, you can say. I immediately buy it. Being a bougie, I buy it. I post it on Instagram story. I get hundreds of DMs, hundreds of DMs asking me, अरे ये तो बहुत सुंदर है, कहाँ से खरीदा? I'm like, okay, there is this Instagram store, I'll tag it, you can just go and check out their products. It's nice. And then these people, the owners of the small Instagram store, get a lot of orders for their product and their product gets sold out. Now that particular product was priced at 1500, which is of good quality, looks nice and everything. But then India is known for making dupe products, right? तो उस bracelet का भी ना किसी ने तो copy बना लिया and they started selling it at 200-300 rupees, that's it. Don't you guys think कि ये original design owner के लिए एक दिक्कत वाली बात हो गई? It's like a loss for them, right? Mind you, even at one point of time, I was also involved in product designing, and the amount of efforts that go into designing a product is too much, is actually too much. There is a lot of time, money, and lot of trial and error that goes into that product. When you come up with it, it should have a clean look, a finished look, and it should be nice, it should be durable. A lot of parameters are there. So उस original design creator या author के पास ना काफी ज़्यादा time लग जाता है to come up with that design. And once you make a product out of your design, you start selling it, it becomes a huge hit, someone else tries to create a cheaper copy of the same. क्या वो सही है? Do you guys think it's worth, is it right? I understand the product becomes more affordable, but then what about the creator? उसकी तो इतना सारा time और energy चला गया है, right? So, in a way, if he has his design registered, or if the cheap copy is trying, if the cheaper company is trying to mimic his product, of course he can sue them. Again, industrial design के rights जो होते हैं ना, those are for 10 years. So for 10 years your design is protected. So in a way the company can get benefit for the next 10 years. At least उनका जो expenditure है वो तो cover हो जाएगा. So that's the beauty of industrial design. Next is means of transport or hoisting. Again carrier के डब्बे हो गए, कुछ आप मूव कर रहे हो, घर यहाँ से वहाँ मूव कर रहे हो, suppose you design a new carriage or something, again you can get it registered. Equipment for production, distribution or transformation of electricity, which is again covered under electronics. Ma'am is in a better position to tell about the products. All those that help you in the transformation of electricity, transformers type हो गए, ऐसे सारे. अगर आप कुछ नए design, you guys must see, right, it is a very compact design, very huge and everything. But what if you come up with a new design which is very compact, again not copying the same part, उसी को minimize नहीं किया, but with new parts and a new design, you can get it registered under the same. 14th class talks about recording, telecommunication or data processing equipment. Anybody, can you tell me what comes under these class, as in ये title के अंदर क्या products आ सकते हैं? Any wide guesses? No? Recordings के लिए क्या use करते हैं? What do we use for recordings? Sorry? Yep. Yes. All of it can be registered. Yeah, sorry? Yes, yes, I was looking for that term. So all that can be registered under the same. 15th class, machines not elsewhere specified. 16th is photographic, cinematographic and optical apparatus. आपने कुछ एक बहुत Instax के कैमरा के बारे में पता है किसी को? All the college going students out there, do you guys know what is Instax? Any idea? Acha, have you heard about this concept of instant photography? What is it? Yes, yes. What is it? Yeah, the term is right, Polaroids. There is this Instax ka camera which is available on Amazon. You guys can check it out. It creates images as soon as you click it. मतलब reel होती है. You just have to click a picture और immediately वो आपको एक photocopy दे देता है. So that's again a new type of camera. If you guys check it out, its design is also very different. Again, ऐसे type के equipments you can get it registered under these class. Next is musical instrument. Can anybody name some of the musical instrument? Yeah? Sorry? Casio, excellent. What else? Sorry? Guitar, okay, guitar, yes. Junk jamming होती है आपके यहाँ पे? Have you heard of this concept? Junk jamming? Never? जहाँ पे ना it was there in my college. घर पे जितने भी बर्तन पड़े होते हैं ना सबको लेकर आते हैं. They create musical instruments out of it. मतलब उसी को आड़ा टेढ़ा रख के they start playing music. अगर ऐसा कुछ आप लोगों ने नया बना लिया ना इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो कहीं और दिखा नहीं है, जरूर मेरे पास आना, ओके? जरूर. Of course, I'll help you with the design registration, but also we can think of some business opportunity out of it. And I'm telling you, if you guys come up with a nice product जिसका aesthetic appeal बहुत अच्छा है ना, तो mind you guys, Gen Zs को बेचो. अगर कुछ अच्छा दिखता है ना, तो they will for sure buy it. They are even willing to sell their kidneys for a very trending product. सबसे ट्रेंडिंग प्रोडक्ट अभी करंटली क्या है पता है सबको? Labubu, yes, Labubu, yes. Okay, sir is not aware. Okay, sorry, sir. I'll try to be more inclusive with respect to examples. Okay.
We are curious to know what is this product.
Labubu, yes, sir, yes. Uh, it's a soft toy which is very dangerous to look at. It is not. तात्या विंचू, yes. तात्या विंचू का इंग्लिश कजिन है ये सर, लाबूबू. तात्या विंचू का इंग्लिश कजिन. क्यों फेमस हुआ वो? किसी को आइडिया है? एनी आइडिया व्हाई इट गॉट फेमस एक्चुअली? सॉरी, जेंजी. बट जेंजी को आइडिया कहाँ से मिला? कहीं से तो मिला होगा जेंजी को आइडिया. रील्स में. ओके. How many of you here are Blackpink fans? Anybody? It's okay. Nobody is going to shame you. Even I am a Blackpink fan. K-pop kid. Oh, great. 1, 2, and who else? 3. Great. So Blackpink band में there is this Lisa. Lisa पता है ना सबको? She was the first one who introduced this trend. She was carrying again, I guess, a Birkin. She was carrying a Birkin और उसमें उसने वो doll लगाई हुई थी. Now I'll tell you what is that doll exactly. It's a very demonic doll और कुछ नहीं है. It's just a very demonic doll. But then the doll का design was so captivating that the Gen Z got carried away. सबके पास वो doll आ गई, सबके पास. Why? Again a trending product. Labubu है, a very different design. हमेशा we are more used to watching Barbies and everything, but this is a very different design. So again it got popular. अब आगे जाके अगर आप Labubu जैसा कुछ interesting सा doll बनाते हो ना, do get it registered, because the creator of that one Labubu doll made billions of money just by selling that one product. उसके बाकी किसी product के बारे में किसी को कुछ नहीं पता. Just that one Labubu product. Sorry, any doubts? Okay. So next topic is printing and office machinery. कुछ भी printer हो गया, नया सा printer or anything with respect to printing, all can be registered here. Let's just go through the examples once. This food stuff animal chew. Yeah, I was talking about the bottle. That's not Stanley, by the way, but something with respect to packaging or containers. Everything is included here. Bottles हो गए या आपका कुछ packaging material हो गया, packaging container हो गया, box हो गया. Again, Stanley को जिसमें pack किया जाता है ना, even that container is very different, by the way. So even that can be registered under this class. Next is stationery and office equipments. कभी कोई मैंगो स्टेशनरी गया है? Yes, right? अपने बच्चों को लेकर गए हो? नहीं, क्यों नहीं लेकर गए? क्यों नहीं लेकर गए? Why do they want everything, ma'am?
Because they have very unique products. They are very attractive.
Attractive, yes. And they may create a big hole in your pocket as well, right? So that's the reason why parents don't allow their kids to come along. But why do you guys go then? What is the intent behind you guys going there then?
We go to purchase whatever is required for us. It attracts the aesthetics and the product look
Yes.
and the arrangements which we have in the store.
Okay.
It attracts them.
Yes, that's the correct answer. The other day when I was just browsing through their products, I saw this one compass, you can say, compass पता है ना जिससे वो गोल बनाते हैं. मैंने देखा कि उसके ऊपर they had introduced Labubu का head as well.
Yes.
And I saw so many kids asking their mom कि ये मुझे दिला दो. If you cannot buy us a Labubu doll, at least buy us this. Again, why did this happen? क्यों मतलब वो product ही इतना ज़्यादा hit क्यों रहा? Because उसका डिजाइन अलग था. उसका डिजाइन ऐसा था कि छोटे बच्चों को अपील कर रहा था काफी ज्यादा. That's the reason why the product was a fast selling product, right? So सिंपल सी चीज है, एक कंपास है, उसको नॉर्मली भी बेचा जा सकता है. Just tweak it, make it more attractive or make it more Gen Z specific product. आपका प्रोडक्ट अपने आप बिक जाएगा. So anything with respect to office equipments or office stationery, all that can be registered. Yes, ma'am.
So I just have a question. वो लाबू का head इस पे डाला ना, तो doesn't it infringe the patent of लाबू या लाबू का patent नहीं है?
Okay. Do you want to ask the question again on mic? Yeah. It would be better. All of us can hear.
So will that not go against the patent of Labubu dolls because they are putting the head of Labubu doll on the compass?
Okay. Ma'am, first of all, Labubu doll का patent आप नहीं file कर सकते. It will go for design registration, and maybe sir also wants to add something. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. It's a bit complex question, I think, because these are the questions we face every day with respect to the challenges when a client comes to us. Labubu का doll का design है, and then the other thing is pen के ऊपर वो doll है. Now the question herein is, would I be infringing the other part actually? So in IP we have two separate things. First is FTO, freedom to operate. What I'll do is, as a smart designer, I'll make some minor changes. And secondly, still I should not get it. Like, if you remember the patent discussion, there was a concept called as obviousness, predictability. कि एक pen है और एक doll है, उसको just combine किया, it's predictable. But let me tell you one thing. Design में obviousness नहीं होता है. That means you combine two things. Just, of course, the shape or the pen with that design is new, and you would get it separately. Now, one thing is any slight minor changes, because what is being protected under design is just external appearance. जैसे उसके मैंने, let us say for example, हाथ हटा दिया. It's a different design. You're not infringing that. Right? कोई एक part तो, of course, that can be very smartly done as. So, but you need to understand both the things. One, on one side, how the FTO works, that is, उससे बाहर कैसे आना है, and secondly, मुझे खुद को भी design मिलना चाहिए. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, sir. What is FTO full form?
Okay, we call it freedom to operate. It in IP, freedom to operate means, and I think in my first day session I had covered this. It is not necessary that we create IPs, right? If we are not creators, if we are not able to create IP, that is absolutely fine. But it is our moral, ethical duty that we are not using third-party IP. किसी और का जो design है, patent है, trademark, वो हम use नहीं कर रहे. That is more important. And when we check that, so for example, when I'm designing a new product, I'll check किसी और का design है क्या. I'll tell you, this is also applicable in normal industries as well. When you have to name your company, that point of time, you have to ensure कि वो नाम किसी और के नाम पे registered है क्या. If it is there, you are not gonna get it. वो तो company register भी नहीं देगा. But beyond that, trademark के cases में, या फिर when you design a logo basically, right? That point of time, it is absolutely fine if it is not new, but then it should not be protected by someone. That's it. That's why we call it as freedom to operate. Am I free to operate? Am I free to use this design? अगर ये design है, इसका normal tweak कर दिया, then I am free to operate. But if I copy it as it is, like जो market में first copy, second copy चलता है, first copies as it is है, maybe second copies में slight variation लेके आता है, तो honestly that is free to operate. Of course, what they do is वो brands को ही second copies लेके आए, that's not allowed basically, because वहाँ पे beyond design, so there are multiple IPs. एक trademark है, what they are doing is trademark में slight variation is not allowed. Trademark में Pizza Hut का pizza घर is not allowed. Trademark के case में the freedom to operate becomes complex there. In case of design it's very easy. Why? Because आपका protection ही बहुत narrow है. कैसे दिख रहा है? Normal एक कोई चीज हटा दी, you are free to. Sounds good? Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Engaging question. Any other question you have? Yes. Can we?
When you're telling me that Labubu has a design that is patented or there is a registration done for it, first copy पे कैसे ये हो सकता है? How is
Okay.
that accepted?
Sorry? हाँ. By the way, that's piracy, as sir mentioned. And when it comes to India, I'll tell you it's not that stringent here, by the way. People, to be very honest, people are not aware of their rights. That is what I would like to put into, because even before I came into this profession, I was not aware कि अरे ऐसा design का भी registration करा सकते हो if it's new. Basically, it's all about awareness. People are not aware of their own rights. Hence, they allow it. Most welcome.
For the engineering instrument, can we go for this industrial design? Engineering instruments, for example, a mini drafter.
हाँ.
Can we go for the industrial design?
Sir, is it a whole product that you are saying, talking about, or the parts, individual parts?
Whole product.
Whole product, yes, you can. You can also file a patent if there is a functionality allowed. So both design and patent both are applicable. Yes. It's basically design is all about the external appearance of the product. For instance, I have my own patent application wherein we have a product. There is a device, a complete device basically. There is one hardware component which is attached to a patch. Okay, both are connected via wires. Now, जब मैंने उसका actual background search किया था, when I started with that project, I saw that the device was very bulky. It was huge. It's an iontophoretic device which is very difficult to carry around in hospitals. So basically what we did is we came up with a very shorter version. Now again the question arises, आपने तो सिर्फ size reduce की है, right? Size reduce की है, तो even that is not allowed. But then when I tell you that I not just reduce the size of my product, but I made it to look completely different from the original one. I have 3 components which are integrated all together, which look very different from the original product. That's why I can go for design registration for that particular product. Hence I mentioned, are you talking about the part or you talking about the entire device as a whole? So since you are mentioning that as a device as a whole, you can go for design registration. And if it is functional, of course, patent. Yeah.
If I change the order of the instrument, that part, then still I can like register
Order of the parts.
parts.
Sir.
I'm intervening because these are actually complex questions, and when we get these kind of questions, that point of time, it is, I would say, more about the discussion with the scientists basically. If you change, is it like going to change the shape of the product, the external appearance of the product? so you would get a design for that, not the patent.
Not by only reducing the size, only by changing the order of the.
Absolutely. You can get a design is absolutely possible. Reason being, I'll tell you, in case of design, we don't have that obviousness thing which blocks everything in patent. Thoda sa, and that's the reason. So, sir ne abhi pucha ki as an engineer, can I get a design for the instrument? Sir, engineers design के लिए नहीं बने हैं. आप engineers, the I would say the research that we are involved into for its functionality. Right? We are not bothered how it looks. The machine should work. Am I correct? The machine should work, and that's the technicality or the functionality that matters for engineers. Otherwise, then, just for the sake of knack, कर लो design, जितने file करने कर लो, हमारा भी business बढ़ेगा उससे. We won't mind doing that.
A piece.
Yeah.
So obviously it has a functionality as well. So I can file for the industrial design plus.
Furniture, please. Okay, wonderful. I think we are working on some dental chairs. Now, dental, आप लोग unfortunately अगर dentist के पास जाना पड़ रहा है, तो you have those chairs which have different, what do you call, ergonomics?
Economics.
Right? As well as there is a functionality involved in that. Now, for the same product, you can file design as well as patent. Patent protects its functionality and design protects its look basically. See, when shall I recommend this to a genuine scientist? जब आपका design is crucial, कि ये इसी वे से है. Why are you changing the component? यहाँ से वहाँ क्यों कर रहे हो? Is it crucial? If it is not, don't go for design. हाँ, numbers के लिए करना है तो करो. But if it's functionality, go for a patent. But then somehow, there are certain cases even we have faced, जहाँ पे the design is very crucial with respect to the functionality of the instrument. In that case, also protect it through design. Rather, ma'am, the costing for design is very less. Official fees filing, there is no examination fee, there is no early publication. The timeline, जो हमने PV Polytechnic के designs किए थे, हमें 2-3 महीने में registrations मिले थे. So you get a registration certificate within 2 months, 3. And most of the, in fact, I was, it was an experience or an eye-opener for me. जो हमने 10 designs file किए, 3 months में 9 register हो गए, without any objection. Because जो बच्चों ने, those were jewelry designs basically. जो बच्चों ने design किए थे jewelry को, that was really unique. उसको देख के ही पता चल रहा है, ऐसा कहीं देखा ही नहीं है हमने. Right? So design go only when, so this is for scientists. Those who are actually designers, fashion designer है, या फिर someone is, let's say the jewelry designer है, या फिर even in the food industry, in the class 1 food stuff. So is it helping you create the business with the look? Then go for it. Okay. I think, sir, you had some question.
See, my students sometimes they take up internship. Then during that internship, they create some designs for a company. So how do they ensure? Can they ensure by any chance they file a design or the company files design? Then in that case, their name is included there.
So this you are speaking about
Students doing
fashion
internship.
designing or jewelry design or any department.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I think, sir, we have wonderful sessions on IP policy. जहाँ पे the creation of IPR policy for institution or university. I'm covering these topics because this is a genuine question and this is complex to answer. But I'm covering this. I'll just tell you, it all depends on what kind of arrangement you have with the that particular company basically. In case of patents specifically, it is mandatory
to include their names as inventors. Legal ownership नहीं मिलेगा, but मतलब applicant नहीं होगा, but inventor करके it is mandatory. But now in case of design, we don't have a concept of applicant and inventor here. It's just the owner. When you say ownership, of course we know how it works basically. It would be the company who would be deciding, but in many cases the way we are working with some companies, what they are doing is they're including, let's say you are the one who is doing let's say a project in collaboration. You are there as a applicant or co-applicant in that design, but then they have a different agreement wherein they say that you are an applicant, but you have 0% legal right in this.
So, but that is possible as
Absolutely.
including the name as an
Yes,
applicant.
sir. In fact, जब आप IP policy frame करते हो, one of the important, I would say, aspect of IP policy is how do you deal with your stakeholders. जैसे आपके students intern करके जा रहे हैं, या many a times you have, let's say, two departments working with each other, or you are collaborating. Your NAC requires this thing only, you collaborate with n number of parties, but when you are collaborating, how does it actually practically work? Who owns the IP? All these issues need to be resolved in the IP policy. We'll be discussing this in detail, sir, during those two sessions. Okay. Yeah.
Any other questions?
Yeah.
Yeah, so students have designed, we are from interior design and architecture background, that's why the
From
question.
which background?
Architecture and interior design.
Okay, perfect.
So students have designed a furniture piece which is there somewhere, and it has come in a lot of photographs and everything. It's pretty old. So now I can go for it, or
No, there is no novelty.
no, it's a unique piece, furniture
No,
piece.
novelty as in, एक बार वो public domain आ गया, you won't get it granted.
Public domain, हाँ, मतलब वो
What do you
photo-
do? I'll tell you now, practically, tweak it a bit and get it registered.
Public domain means,
That's fine. जो भी available है, उसको tweak करके आप register कर सकते हो. As it is, so for example, let us say Times of India में उसका picture आ गया. Let us say, या कहीं पे उसने post कर दिया एक साल पहले. Facebook पे post
अच्छा,
कर दिया.
हाँ, हाँ.
In fact, this is
तो
what we
फिर वो
say
नहीं
कि
करना.
don't do that
Yeah.
before filing first. But अगर कर दिया,
हाँ.
ये practical problems है. तो हमने क्या करवाया है? In one case, we deleted the Facebook post. Simple, मेरे control में था. But कुछ चीज मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. In that case, at least for design, see, design is very simple. थोड़ा सा ये बैग है, नहीं, if you look at all these design, कुछ अलग नहीं है इसमें. More or less same thing है. Slight tweaking and you are getting IP in your name.
But as it is, I won't be able to go.
As it is नहीं मिलेगा. See, as it is, okay, I'll tell you एक practical इसमें aspect भी. देखो, you have to be smart enough जो सामने वाला ढूंढ रहा है ना उसको ना मिले, बस. जो पकड़ला तो चोर. So, of course, patent office is quite smart. They have better tools than us. But at the end, they are also humans like us, right? So, someone who is checking कि ये नया है कि नहीं, you should make sure that वो थोड़ा सा, and I'll tell you जो examination reports आते हैं design में, they say इसमें ये part, इसमें ये particular design is same as that of yours. हम लोग बोलते हैं सर वो उसमें वो line नहीं है. And which line is important for us? Because उससे Gen Z खरीदेगा. That's what we say actually. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ma'am, again circling back to your question. Yeah. So ma'am, circling back to your question, अगर part आगे पीछे कर दिया तो, whenever we file a design application, we take pictures from different views, okay? तो उसका front view होता है, back view होता है, जैसे I explained you with this product. If already किसी ने ऐसा कुछ application file किया है, जहाँ पे front, back या side views है या perspective view लिया हुआ है ना, therein your design will get stuck. वो novelty का objection आ जाएगा. So you have to be very careful. Again, maybe before filing that, maybe going for the registry, before going for the registration of that particular product, you can just do a vague check. If anything like that is available, if not, then डिज़ाइन में थोड़ा और चेंजेस कर देंगे, एस्थेटिकली उसमें कुछ और एडिशंस डिलीशन करेंगे या कुछ सरफेस पैटर्न इनकॉर्पोरेट करेंगे, तो यू कैन ओवरकम दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्शन नॉवेल्टी का। हम ज्वेलरी स्टोर में जाना सबको पसंद है, राइट? करेक्ट? फीमेल्स आउट हियर and guys don't like it because again it digs a hole in their pocket, right? So sir, you like to go to jewelry shopping? You seemed very much interested. Sorry?
Normally I avoid.
Okay, why so? Acha, okay, I thought there must be some other reason. Anyways, okay, so आप लोग को पता है वो ज्वेलरी सब अरेंज करके रखी रहती है, राइट? एज सून एज यू एंटर दैट ज्वेलरी शॉप, if you have ever been to Tira or if you have ever been to, you know, like these local jewelry shop, what is that one thing which attracts you to actually buy that product? Jewelry तो है, of course the jewelry is very nice, it looks good on you, but why are you so very much inclined towards going to that particular store only? या फिर काफी सारी चीजें होती है. The first is customer service. Of course, if the shopkeeper is talking nicely to you, you get inclined, right? Product, of course, product is a plus point always. What next? एक पैरामीटर है जो हम हमेशा भूल जाते हैं, नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं. Sorry? Lightings, yes. One more thing is remaining. Yes. So there is a way in which they present the actual jewelry, okay? So red color का carpet type material होगा, and in fact one of the very crucial thing that we tend to forget is वो jewelry को place कैसे किया गया है. वो jewelry को place करने के लिए ना there is some support or there is one equipment, right? जिसको वो लगाते हैं और उस पे वो jewelry को खड़ा किया जाता है. That is what makes it more appealing. The way you present something makes the product more appealing. So वो जो jewelry की stand है which helped in supporting the jewelry का design can also be registered under this class. समझ में आया या फिर और बताओ? Okay.
किसी ने
Yes.
किसी ने किया है ये register?
Ma'am, right there. The second image. Yeah. तो बेसिकली इट्स नथिंग. आप इयररिंग्स वगैरह शॉप में खरीदने जाते हो, राइट? आपने देखा होगा एक टी शेप का एंगल होता है जिसपे वो ज्वेलरी को लगाई जाती है. अगर आप टीरा का स्टोर कभी, आई एम नॉट ब्रांडिंग, आई एम नॉट एडवर्टाइजिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, बट जस्ट टेलिंग यू गाइस, इफ यू एवर हैपन टू विजिट टीरा के स्टोर्स ना, एनीबडी हु इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन ज्वेलरी डिजाइन, you can go and check out their store. They are actually, the way they present their product is more interesting than their own products, to be honest. वो जो stands वगैरह होते हैं ना, even those are very intricately designed. So even that you can get it registered. We often tend to, yeah.
So then others can't use that design?
No ma'am, you have sole ownership. Tira is the sole ownership, right?
Okay. So then if at all Tira comes across somebody using it, then they can
sue them. Yes, absolutely. If they have design registered, they can sue them.
And this also registration needs to be renewed after every 3 to 4 years?
10 and 5. You.
Huh?
Design is for 10 years.
Okay.
Just once renewed for 5 years. So okay. 10 plus 5. But यहाँ पे ना there is no renewal fees. 1000 का filing जब है 10 years तक no renewal fees.
Okay.
तो वो rather that 10 years के लिए every year 100 rupees ऐसा consider होता है. And if you want to renew it after 10 years for 5 years, just once you have to pay. That's it.
Okay.
So it's 10 plus 5 years of protection that you get. You can do it on your own or you can also consult an agent.
On the name of student or college or किसका नाम?
Yeah.
That's all. किसका प्रश्न है तो?
No, ma'am, this will be covering in IP policy wherein we will be discussing किसके नाम पे student, faculty, department, college, university, government of Maharashtra, central government, किसके नाम पे करना. Rather, this is the most crucial thing. यही IP policy में discuss करेंगे.
Registration. Where to, how to register for that?
For IP policy,
No, not policy, registration process I'm asking about.
registration.
So I want to register my designs there. So the process through which or where to go?
Ma'am, I had covered it initially. By that time, you were not there. So I'll just revise it at the end.
Okay.
I'll revise the procedure, and sir will also let you know what is the exact process. Yeah, sure. Can somebody pass on the mic to her? मिल गया उनको.
Hello, hi. So currently my family base is into jewelry. So we have all the designs and segment into offline. Now if I want to post it online, so can I register that designs without GST details? Don't need, na? So can I register my designs and then nobody can copy it, right?
Sorry, Janvi.
It's okay, sir.
You can file the design. Whether it gets registered depends on how unique it is. Yeah, जैसे मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले बोला. So when the design office is evaluating it, are they in a position to get similar design online?
No, so online it's not available. For example, if I
No, you are not selling it, but वो same design का picture लेके.
No, I am selling it.
No, I mean to say, you are not posting it on Facebook or Insta is fine.
I'm creating my own website, like how this Bluestone and all
ha,
they
ha,
have.
fine.
So there's a registered website.
Right, yeah.
So similar, if I can open my website, so I can just put all my designs.
Rather, before launching your website, it is very much required that you register your designs. Otherwise, आपका website देख के, I'm a smart businessman, I'll copy it the very next day.
Yeah, so that is mandatory, right?
It is not mandatory. It's up to you to decide.
Okay.
आपको लगता है कि मैं आपका business खाऊं तो you do it. You don't register.
So the
It is not
unique
mandatory.
style is not mandatory.
Pardon?
Unique style is not mandatory, right?
Yeah.
If I'm planning to launch a website,
Then it's-
I can register it, my
Yeah,
designs, to
Yeah,
avoid
you can
competition.
Actually, yes, but then the others would copy it. That's it.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
Absolutely, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
And we don't need GST details and all.
Yeah, that's
for,
what. For
like,
trademark, we don't require.
no, we don't need it for any type of IP action.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, I guess you got confused between the product for excise and IPR. Both are two different concepts. I'll let you know. Since this is a very nice question, just I'll summarize whatever sir has mentioned. What you can do is, suppose you have nice jewelry designed, okay, and you are planning on to launch it. So maybe if you already have the pictures or the website, what you can do is you can just take them down until you get your products registered. You can take down the site. You can get your jewelry registered first or file a design application. Then you can launch it or showcase it on your website. If already you have posted some pictures on Instagram or your friends have shared it, again then that would be a problem. So maybe you will also have to ask them to take it down. So it's all about the prior art game that I mentioned earlier. Anything that is in public domain before the filing date of your application will act as a prior art for you. So if you can combat that, well and good, you can easily get your products registered under design. So the Labubu doll that we all talked about, ऐसा कुछ अच्छा सा कुछ toy वगैरह बना रहे हो, of course you can get it registered under this class.
Generally what happened, as we discussed, in case of a design, a small variation people can do it and make it as their own design.
Yes.
So then there is no use of industrial design. Even though anyway a small change in it, even the color change in it can be copied or anyone can do it, then why to run after design then?
Okay, I think again that's a interesting stuff. Reason being, sir, as it is replica तो नहीं मिलेगा. That's getting protected basically. And okay, honestly speaking, this thing, the one which you are saying, this is on the third day of the IP awareness workshop. Right? Before this, we were not aware of this concept. Am I correct? Abhi, we are at a premier institute in Mumbai, at a university, a well-learned society. We know this. I'm a businessman. Like now, she's someone who is having she's selling the jewelry. She's, let's say, having some designs basically. What happens? It acts as a deterrent for the competitors. आपको हमने बताया करके पता है. The competitors don't know. They say, नहीं भाई, the very first thing I'm telling you, small business है. The very first thing I want is, भाई कुछ भी हो जाए, lawyer के पास नहीं जाना है. मेरे को fight नहीं चाहिए. The moment I write design protected, the moment I write patent protected, मेरा competitor बोल रहा है नहीं भाई ये patent है इसको हाथ मत लगा. And I'm telling you, when I say this is not for the small companies, startups or MSMEs, I have clients whose size is 100, 200 CR, उनको भी ये clarity नहीं है. I think that answers your question. Right, sir? Honestly, ये अगर करना है, like, so, okay, why is an electronics engineer or mechanical engineer going for that then? I'm giving you a way to fulfill your KRA then. आपका KRA is NAC के लिए मेरे को 10 IP चाहिए साल में. That's the reason an engineer is going ना. In fact, if I show you the gazette, वहाँ पे fashion designer, jewelry designer नहीं है. सारे engineering के professors हैं जिनके designs protected है. Actually, they are the ones who are actually filing the designs. They also know this. इसका मुझे मिलने वाला तो कुछ नहीं है. इसको tweak करके कोई और copy कर लेगा. But then, actually, is that design significant enough to even be protected? So when a client comes to us, the very first thing we ask, be it a professor, be it a company, or be it like, a student as well, what is that intent? क्यों file करना चाहते हो? If you are expecting कि ये file करके मेरा सारा competition रुक जाएगा, I'll be the only one selling, no, it's not gonna happen. The professors are very clear, sir, मेरा promotion आ रहा है next year. उससे पहले एक पेटेंट ग्रांट हुआ, सर मेरा ये VC का इंटरव्यू है, the other competitors have 5 patents filed, or let us be practical. This has helped a lot of students, this has helped a lot of professors as such, right? So that's the thing, we actually take it that way as such, like, at the end, designs are, if you look at it, actually the designs are meant only for fashion and jewelry industry, or those goods which are like, I would say, जो showbiz में है, like, crockeries, not the paintings exactly, but जैसे crockeries है, जो artificial items है कुछ, जो show के लिए रखते हैं, उनके लिए this makes sense actually. Otherwise, for others it doesn't make sense. But then minor tweak, as you rightly said. But then, yeah, sir, I think now this is impactful. This is something which we were anticipating from the event. कि third day तो at least पता चला, अरे इसका कुछ value नहीं. At least as a scientist, there is no value for design. But then for patent, it has value.
One question कि I started कि structure को हम patent कर सकते क्या? तो since 2 days you said no, structure can't be patented. Today even Janvi madam said it cannot be considered as a design.
Structure as in?
Building structures.
Building structures are excluded. Architectures are excluded.
वो कर सकते. Those are copyright. Those are only copyrights.
Ma'am, अगर आपका कोई CAD file होगा ना, even that is okay. But then I'll tell you what are the rules for your, whenever you approach a patent agent or whenever you file it on your own. You have to get your product, उसके बाद उसके pictures लेने हैं. Now there is a way how you are supposed to take the pictures, okay? It is mentioned in the design manual. Product का front, back, top, bottom. Against white background, आप अपने pictures लेनी है. Colored pictures are okay, black and white is fine. Once those pictures are taken, you are supposed to prepare representation sheets. If you're not in a position to prepare it, do approach a patent agent, they will do it wisely, okay? Now, there are certain points which you need to be careful about. आप पूरे product का picture लेंगे, not just one single part. पूरा ऐसा व्यू कैसा दिख रहा है वैसे पिक्चर लेना है. यहाँ से पिक्चर लिया, यहाँ से पिक्चर लिया, ये टॉप इस व्यू का पिक्चर लिया, नेक्स्ट ये वाले व्यू का पिक्चर लिया अगेंस्ट वाइट बैकग्राउंड प्रेफरेबली, एंड अ 3D व्यू ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. उसका सपोज आप ऐसे देख रहे हो प्रोडक्ट को तो वो कैसे दिख रहा है, वैसे आपने 5 to 6 पिक्चर्स लेनी है. गिव इट टू योर एजेंट, दे विल कम अप विद द रिप्रेजेंटेशन शीट्स. एक बार वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन शीट्स बन जाते हैं तो वेबसाइट में भी फाइल इट, एंड देन यहाँ पे ना यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा फॉर एग्जामिनेशन, अनलाइक पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन. वहाँ पे आपको पे करना पड़ता है फॉर एग्जामिनेशन, एंड यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली एग्जामिन हो जाता है. जस्ट दैट patent applications, as soon as you file, there is a stipulated time, after that it gets published. In design that doesn't happen, okay? Design mein what happens is only after your registration it gets published in the Gazette. I hope I'm right, sir. Okay, so again आप फाइल कर देंगे डिजाइन में अगर कुछ भी ऐसा लगा ऑब्जेक्शन लगा कंट्रोलर को कि नॉवेल्टी नहीं है, या फिर आपने पिक्चर्स, जनरली व्हाट ऑब्जेक्शंस वी गेट इज बेस्ड ऑन द पिक्चर्स ओनली, कि प्रोडक्ट का पूरा इमेज नहीं है, पार्शियल इमेज है, या फिर इवन ऐसे ट्रेडमार्क वाला जो नाम होता है ना, ये जो नाम वगैरह होता है, इवन दैट इज नॉट अलाउड, ऐसा कुछ दिख गया. तो दोज आर द काइंड ऑफ ऑब्जेक्शंस दैट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम द कंट्रोलर. अगर ऑब्जेक्शंस है तो यू आर सपोज टू फाइल अ रिप्लाई. थोड़ा सा रिप्रेजेंटेशन शीट्स को रिफ्रेम करिए, दोबारा से उसको फाइल करिएगा. Controller will then grant it, agar if they are satisfied with it. If not, you will get a hearing for the same. At times, if the design is very appropriate, kuch problem nahi hai, to directly it gets registered as well. That's the process, ma'am. That's it. Any other question? No? I hope the session was very interactive and not boring at all. Thank you so much, sir, for actually helping me with the questions. Thank you, guys. See you again later. Yeah, bye-bye.